The reality is that textiles only represents about 4% of carbon emissions in the world. Bank&Vogue handles 4 million garments a week of used clothing.
Look behind me. This is never ending. This is a tiny, tiny, tiny piece of what's happening in the world. There are containers coming in every second, not only into this SEZ, but countless facilities around the world.
A leaf falls off a tree, it goes to the ground, it decomposes and becomes food for the tree. I really believe that we need to look at nature as an inspiration of how we re-engineer our economy. But I also want to challenge anybody in the circularity conversations to stop using the word waste. We need to frame ourselves to think about how do we use it as material inputs. A spent garment can be the next thing. Shredding clothes and using it as an insulation should be the last resort. The first thing we should do is reuse. Reuse, reuse, reuse. And the more times that we can reuse an item, that has the highest economic and environmental impact. And then repair, and then remanufacture. If something can't be resold on a world market, if it can't go to one of the BeyondRetros, if we can't upcycle it, we then sort it for fiber-to-fiber recycling. We want to find the best value for that item throughout the value chain. What's really important for us is to preserve the value in the material. And that's what really this hierarchy of value is. And it's the lens in which we look at every garment in the business, every load of clothes, every pair of jeans, every shirt, every blouse, every dress, is we are trying to look at it through the lens of the value hierarchy. How do we create a circular economy in textiles? That's the question. By just doing the hard work, by rolling up the sleeves, by doing what the people in this building at Bank&Vogue here in India are doing. It's a lot easier to roll out a bolt of fabric and make the components for something. By taking on the challenge, that's how we're going to make the change happen.